Living and I'm tax evading. I thank Allah every day for these racks I'm making.
It's hard out here, you gotta move smart out here. Better grind hard or you gon' starve out here. Up now, I ain't going back down there. I got my freedom, they don't want us out here.
I used to get the bus out here. I started trapping, I was rapping, trying to bust out here. It's like I built it, then I meditated, thinking how the virus got the world segregated.
Been chillin', still winning. 2021, more champagne spilling. 2020 opened up my eyes. Hard times is a blessing in disguise.
You get what you give, it's a threat. How I live, past the cess and the riz. It's crazy in the dunya cuz I get the whip, then I switch it like Munya does.
Boom, boom, pull up in the black thing. Where I'm from, the feds hate on your black skin. We come far, every day it was a sad thing. When I meet God, I'm gonna hug him and thank him.
School of hard knocks, I know I learnt my lessons. If you're sinning and you winning, then it ain't a blessing. Pain and stressing, pain's the essence. I rap these lyrics from the heart and hope it paint a message.
Painting, I'm done waiting. I ain't old Melly, but I'm really dream chasing. Sack money making, bros them erasing. I ain't got time, nigga, fuck probation.
Staying humble, what my mama showed me. Growing up, I bought a shotty that I passed to Brody. See the yacht, Master Rolly. He don't stand for what he preaches like Pastor Toby.
He a phony, daddy can't phone me. Grew up in the hood, I got more love for my brody. Goes with my broski, RP homie. Shay got life, I just lost two. I thank God, we're still breathing, still eating, gang still scheming. Get money season, spend no reason. I've been catching flights, I do not catch feelings.
I thank God, we're still breathing, still eating, gang still scheming. A couple wins, so mashallah. I hope many more to come, more inshallah.
I can't answer the phone, baby. I'm on the road, I'm on the go, baby. I can't answer the phone, baby, but I hear you out when I'm alone, baby. Tryna get me in the zone, baby. Tryna do this all alone, baby. Tryna get me on the throne, baby. You can ask your friends, cause they know, baby. I hear you out, I hear you out. When you're down, they call me Karma, baby. I come around. You ringing the text on my phone, yeah, you moving all mad, but you know that I'm busy. I'm just here with the gang, but I know in your head that you wish you were with me. But I'm in the booth and I'm writing. Man, I'm running from sirens, yeah, we roll it up and we light it. You know that I'm the shit and you like it. And when I got time, you know I answer. I ain't got time for the drama. You know we work hard and play harder. When I see a call, I hear you after. I can't answer the phone, baby. I'm on the road, I'm on the go, baby. I can't answer the phone, baby, but I hear you out when I'm alone, baby. Tryna get me in the zone, baby. Tryna do this all alone, baby. Tryna get me on the throne, baby. You can ask your friends, cause they know, baby. I hear you out, I hear you out. I'm on the go, I beg you relax. You get attention from idiots, but I'm in the zone you wanna be at. The man them you chat to, I swear they're uniques and they do it for retweets. I ain't good for your health, but I know in your head that you want and you need me. But I'm in the block and I'm grinding. I ain't got time for a side thing. I'm with Elizabeth, I love Elizabeth. I ain't got time, but I'll find it. And when I get time, you know I answer. I ain't got time for the drama. You know we work hard and play harder. I might blow your phone like Osama. I can't answer the phone, baby. I'm on the road, I'm on the go, baby. I can't answer the phone, baby, but I hear you out when I'm alone, baby. Tryna get me in the zone, baby. Tryna do this all alone, baby. Tryna get me on the throne, baby. You can ask your friends,